The Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max takes Apple's flagship experience to the next level, delivering premium performance, cutting-edge features, and a refined design that clearly targets power users. The stunning cosmic orange finish adds a bold, modern look, while the durable Pro-grade build maintains Apple's signature elegance. On the front, the large Super Retina XDR display offers ultra-smooth visuals, rich colors, and excellent brightness, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. Powered by Apple's latest A-Series Pro chipset, the iPhone 17 Pro Max delivers lightning-fast performance, seamless multitasking, and impressive energy efficiency, easily handling demanding apps and high-end mobile games. The upgraded camera system is a major highlight, featuring advanced computational photography, improved low-light performance, and enhanced video stabilization for cinematic quality footage. Whether you're shooting detailed photos, recording 4K videos, or creating content for social media, this phone consistently delivers professional-level results. With 256 GB of storage, users get plenty of space for photos, videos, apps, and games without worrying about running out of room. The eSIM-only, unlocked US version ensures flexibility, allowing you to use the device with compatible carriers worldwide. Battery life has also been optimized, offering reliable all-day usage even with heavy tasks. Combined with iOS's smooth ecosystem, long-term software support, and strong privacy features, the iPhone 17 Pro Max stands out as a powerful, future-ready smartphone built for users who want the very best Apple has to offer.